What's going on, guys? 𝗃𝗏𝗏𝗆, your trusted real estate agent here again with another homeowner tip. Let's face it, it's hotter than hell outside, and maybe your air conditioner is not cooling off your home as best you would have hoped. All right, so today we're going to cover how to quickly change your filter, because that could possibly be the problem. It's usually a highly ignored issue. So if your home is not cooling as quickly as you would hoped, take a look at your filter. Let's go through how to do this real quick. I'm going to use a simple butter knife. That's how easy it is. I'm just going to unclasp this here. Unclasp this here. All right, this opens up. I make sure that I have the right size filter. I pop this open. I pull my old filter out. Place my new filter up there and in. Nice fresh filter. Close these up. Give it a little bit of time, and hopefully that's the reason that your air conditioner is working better now. And if not, make sure to contact a professional. If you guys need a professional, I've got plenty of HVAC people that I trust that I can easily refer you to. And as always, if you guys know anybody looking to make any moves, I'm never too busy for referrals. Have a good one, guys.